Hi everybody, welcome back to the Bitcoin Daytrader channel. Today we're gonna check out Reddit again. We have a higher price of Bitcoin, so that means everybody is excited this week. I expect to see some good memes today. Understanding this meme is key to your financial freedom. Bitcoin is over 10,000. Nobody cares. In a bull market you buy the dip, they say, yeah, I bought the dip. This guy didn't hodl. I had BTC. Well, he bought a Tesla, so I think he did hodl a little bit, but he didn't hodl long enough. I've lived this situation more than once. I feel like a king. And then all of a sudden, the price falls down. You feel like Squidward again. This community is getting dumb, and I think that's a huge positive indicator. That's true. The more humoristic this community is becoming, the better it is for us all, the better the price is going. Post a meme, great, post information, and some news will confidently shit on it. I love it. This used to be a sub for the knowledgeable, but now it's truly mainstream Reddit. Not complaining, welcome! Yeah, we're mainstream. So what the hell is this? Bear season is over. Do you think bear season is over? I'm not sure. Hit it! Throw it in here! Wow, that man got way too much power, man. To be honest, I think, honestly, I have a hunch that bear season is almost over. That we're just one big jump away from it. But I'm not sure. Who am I? I don't know. But also, let's check out the price while we're at it. As you see, last week was very positive for almost every coin. Damn man, I haven't been working on my trading bot, so I haven't made much money. Dominance. Yeah, as you see here, remember from the last video, as you see here, it is dropping, so that means it was a good time for day traders. I'm too late, but I will continue working on my Poloniex trade bot again. We can never be certain that nobody sees as we enter our mnemonic passphrase. Look at this small camera. This is a CCD chip, I guess that's what you call it, but it's a 0.5 millimeter. Damn, it's so small. Can you imagine it? You can tape it on a mosquito. Trend on Google for the term Bitcoin is starting to rise. Interest over time. Oh, it's actually happening. Oh no, I haven't bought enough Bitcoin. Okay, meanwhile in Central Asia, pay to Matt wallet. What if Matt can be trusted? He's a good lad. Looks suspicious like the PayPal logo. So, who cares? I'm Dan. You are Dan. You gotta be like that. Everybody just wants to be liked and accepted, you know, that's just normal. You want to get liked and accepted by friends and by your surroundings. But except for Dan. Dan doesn't care. And that's why Dan is floating while y'all are drowning in this sea of inflation. Let's call it inflation, money inflation. When is holding paper around going to be a thing of the past? I think in 10 till 20 years, I don't know, maybe we still need black money, but yeah, that's why we have Bitcoin, right? We're all money launderers. Remember from last episode? I'm a money launderer. Bitcoin on Google Trends. And as you can see, when Bitcoin is 10k and nobody cares, there is a small change. You saw that in a previous post. Let's see how high it has to go before the no coiners, so nobody that has any coins, like all my real friends in real life. Like they always have an opinion about Bitcoin, and they have had that opinion since the year 2013. And if you are a real friend of me, then you know that I'm talking about you. And I told you, please invest in it, just buy for $100. And you're like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And so buy it today, man, be smart. So you should. And I'm talking to you, Niels, Rick, and Rob from Hibo. If you are here watching, hi. Hook 'em while they're young. Hook 'em while they're young. So don't you want to start making some real money? Remember? That was one of those episodes that really made me laugh. Here we have Dan again. Remember Dan? Everybody just wants to be liked and accepted. Except for Dan. Dan doesn't give it. I started accepting Bitcoins on Etsy, so I made a couple of posts to celebrate. Pranks? No thanks. I use cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, it's the future. I don't know if you guys knew this before, but criminal activities already existed before Bitcoin. So it's not Bitcoin's fault. Bitcoin US dollar rally mode, whoa, it's all in the news. CNBC is talking about Bitcoin again. For the ever. A tweet from the future. I wish I had kept my 1/3 of a Bitcoin at 12,000 instead of selling them at 28,000. Now that they are 230,000. Who knows, maybe that's 2021. Make sure you got something, especially if you're on my channel, just to be smart. Oh? What's this? Crypto exchanges and traders, liquidity solution providers in Amsterdam. The conference exchanges in Amsterdam. Maybe I should go over there. It's not. When is it? It's in 1 month. Our speakers: Shapeshift, UB, Keyrock, Crystal, Big One. Okay, Bitfinex. Maybe I should go there. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? Nobody knows. This video game allows you to build a Bitcoin farm. When you get enough graphic cards and other parts, the value of Bitcoin in game is roughly tied up to the value of Bitcoin in real life. So you can trade for cash or items with the other players. Real cool. New game mechanics. Okay, that's cool. Cryptocurrency mining in North Korea increases 10 times. That's a interesting development. I didn't know. So I finally went out last weekend with my friends. And after a year, they say I look different. And this is why. Last year, Bitcoin was only $3,000. Now it's $10,000. So I look happy today. Yeah, they keep telling this search has something to do with the halving. I'm not sure it has something to do with the halving, but it could be. And if it is the halving, then I remember from last time that we might be disappointed that once the halving is done, that everybody's trying to sell because they made their profit. I don't know. Halving is in a couple of months. So get ready. Remember, the seed phrase is totally unlike any of your traditional centralized online credentials. Don't just donate your whole stash to scammers by storing it digitally. Are you serious? Does it actually happen? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Insecure seed storage method. Oh, yeah, never give your seed to somebody else. How do exchanges get hacked? By nerds! Finding a valid private key with a supercomputer would take longer than the edge of the universe. So how does this happen? How do you usually get hacked? Well, hacking somebody is usually being done by a couple of things. It can be an error in the source code, which is sometimes likely, or it is an error in the humans. And when it is an error in humans, that means that you get the password of somebody else, and then you have the accessibility to a website and you can steal everything. I don't know, something like that. Or you hack a server and you get the sudo password for that server, and then you can do sudo things, which means that you are the administrator of that server, and then you can just export the offline storage wallet of a exchange website, which you can empty somewhere at a different place. I am working with ING Spain around 10 years. They just froze all my balances until I justify all the incomes in my account. They asked me for every single invoice from my supplier and customers of my company and the annual tax payment. It's a huge work for me, but the heaviest part is that I should tell them why I send most of the money to crypto instead of my business. I must justify by email. You gotta be kidding me. I don't know if they can legally freeze my money and ask for this personal information supported by the law. What do you think? I'm in shock. Well, this stuff is scaring me a little bit because I'm into the cryptocurrency as well. It's a scary story, man. I feel bad for this guy. I hope you guys feel bad for him too. Unfortunately, puberty distracted me at this point. Yeah, of course, if you have invested 100 Bitcoin in the year 2010, you will be so rich. You have to be a hodler for life to be able to make that much money. Nobody can do that because everybody is always selling when they have enough, when they feel like they have tenfolded or something. And that's a good thing, or else everybody would get a millionaire and then all of a sudden the entire market would drop. You can now pay for your Real Vision subscription with Bitcoin. You can pay everything with Bitcoin nowadays, man. Invested in a bar and restaurant with some Bitcoin profits. Hey, good for that guy, man. Very happy for him. And once you make some profit with your bar, which is probably gonna make more profits than just hodling the Bitcoins, or you should wait for years, but once you get some profit, buy yourself some new Bitcoin. Yeah. Can't sell Bitcoin in North Carolina. So in North Carolina, he's not allowed to cash out Bitcoin. How terrible. What a terrible life. Let's just all get ready for this probability to have a big fat bull market. Let's just end our episode with happy thoughts. Let's hope that this year will be a year of gain. A bullish market, as they call it, and not a bullshit market, but a bullish market. I hope we all make a little bit of, well, I don't even need the profit that much, but it's more about gaining popularity. Hope you guys did enjoy my Reddit video, and if you did enjoy it, let me know it by giving it a big thumbs up. And if you hated this video, then just subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. And I hope to see you guys in the next Reddit video's. Later. Later. Spreek je later. Zie je later. Tot de volgende keer. Gezellig dat je er was. Tot de volgende keer. Doei. I don't know why you guys are still watching this video. I do appreciate that you're still here. Bye, everybody.